Title: Capital Gains, Maximizing Returns on Investments. Introduction. Capital gains are a crucial component of investment returns and play a significant role in wealth accumulation. This comprehensive masterclass will provide an in-depth understanding of capital gains, including their definition, calculation methods, tax implications, and strategies for maximizing returns on investments. Part 1. Fundamentals of Capital Gains. 1.1 Definition and Significance. Defining capital gains and their importance in investment performance. Differentiating capital gains from other investment metrics, such as yield and total return, exploring the impact of capital gains on wealth. Accumulation. 1.2 Types of capital gains. Short-term capital gains versus long-term capital gains, understanding the distinction between the two and their respective tax treatments, identifying assets that generate capital gains, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. 1.3 Capital gains versus capital losses, exploring the concept of capital losses and their impact on investment returns. Understanding the interaction between capital gains and capital losses for tax purposes, evaluating the importance of tax-efficient investing strategies. Part 2. Calculating capital gains. 2.1 Basis and cost of acquisition, determining the cost basis of an investment, factoring in transaction costs, such as commissions and fees. Adjusting the cost basis for stock splits, dividends, and other corporate actions. 2.2 Capital gain calculation, understanding the calculation of capital gains based on the cost basis and sale proceeds, accounting for adjustments, such as reinvested dividends and return of capital, calculating capital gains for different investment assets and scenarios. 2.3 Taxation of capital gains, exploring the tax implications of capital gains, understanding the difference in tax rates for short-term and long-term capital gains, strategies for tax planning and minimizing the tax impact of capital gains. Part 3. Maximizing capital gains. 3.1 Investment strategies for capital gains. Growth investing, identifying assets with potential for significant price appreciation. Value investing, finding undervalued assets that have the potential for capital gains. Sector rotation and thematic investing, capitalizing on market trends and sector-specific opportunities. 3.2 Tax-efficient investing, strategies for managing capital gains taxes, including tax loss harvesting and asset location, utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, such as IRAs and 401(k)(s), to defer or minimize taxes on capital gains, timing investment sales to optimize tax liability. 3.3 Diversification and risk management, understanding the role of diversification in managing investment risk, balancing the pursuit of capital gains with a diversified portfolio approach, assessing risk tolerance and aligning investment strategies accordingly. Part 4. Behavioral considerations and emotional management. 4.1 Investor behavior and capital gains, examining common behavioral biases that impact investment decisions, managing emotions, such as fear and greed, to avoid detrimental investment actions, long-term perspective and the importance of staying invested during market fluctuations. 4.2 Monitoring and reviewing capital gains, establishing a systematic approach to monitoring investment performance, periodic review of investment holdings and assessing the potential for capital gains, making informed decisions regarding when to realize capital gains and rebalance the portfolio. 4.3 Professional guidance and financial planning. The role of financial advisors in capital gains optimization, seeking expert advice for tax planning, investment selection, and long-term financial goals, creating a comprehensive financial plan that integrates capital gains considerations. Conclusion. This comprehensive masterclass has provided an in-depth exploration of capital gains, including their definition, calculation methods, tax implications, and strategies for maximizing returns on investments. By understanding the fundamentals of capital gains and implementing effective investment strategies, individuals can navigate the complexities of capital gains taxation and work towards achieving their financial goals.